it's Labor Day. The husbands have to make dinner.
To labor.
To labor.
So guys, today Dos is cooking and I am taking a break and looking forward to the sumptuous meal he's going to make. I have no clue what he's going to make, so let's just go through this together. Let's find out what Dos is going to make for dinner.
Dinner for tonight.
We do shopping for about 7 to 10 days. Make a meal plan and then follow that meal plan to have at least 10 days out of our shopping before we can go back to the supermarket. So I have no idea what he's going to do. I know what was meant to be for today, but from the ingredients he has, this is not what we were meant to have today. So let's see what he does. So Dos, I've seen you chop quite a number of vegetables, yes. And now you have put a pan in oil. Do you want to reveal what you're making for dinner?
Yes. So today I'm making chicken wrap, and this is some sort of chapati, and inside there's chicken, lettuce, onions, eggplant, pilipili, madoido mingi. So yeah.
Okay. I'm going to let you get on with the cooking, and I'm going to make
this
sure...
COVID has men cooking. These are the things. After this COVID, we have no excuse. So
that's
this is the saddest thing.
That's
this
quite
is one
positive.
sad day.
That's quite positive. I am sure a lot of ladies who are going to watch this will be so happy, and I hope all husbands are doing this. They are taking up the kitchen and cooking.
That girls can cook.
Yes. So
been defrosting the chicken for like 2 hours now, because we normally get the chicken and pack them into individual days. So every day we know we have a pack that we should use. So these are our pack for today. So yes.
This I see you can make chapatis. So this is going to be our dinner. I'm excited. As it is a tradition in our home, if you're cooking, you have to clean your chop boards, everything that you use when cooking, you have to clean it, leave the kitchen clean. People eat, and whoever is doing the dishes does only what is used during the eating. So I'm going to taste the food that Dos made.
Honest opinion.
The chicken is really good. I can taste the flavors. I like that the vegetables are not overcooked.
Not too much lettuce.
Personally, I would have loved more lettuce, but I know you love meat, so I took that.
Yeah, not too much lettuce.
Yeah, I'm happy with less lettuce. It was your day in the kitchen, but it tastes really, really good. So thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's juicy.
You know the way they say, "Kare kanua kareda."
Do you think you're going to be satisfied till tomorrow morning?
Yes, I think it's a good meal until tomorrow. I mean, I still have to go.
Okay.
But kare kanua kareda, nigo kena murio, ogwo nigo kahana.
Yes.